Hi guys, welcome to an Ask Zenler. So in this Ask Zenler, what I'm going to do is, because this is a little bit more of a longer workshop, is I've turned it into an Ask Zenler. Normally this would be a Zenler FBH. There's Ask a Question by Emma Louise, and I think this will help a lot of people because I have had this question come up from time to time. And there's a question saying, is there a way to do a gift vouchers yet? It would be good for parents to purchase a course for their child as a Christmas gift. Okay, so we can do it. There's lots of different ways that you could do it. You could use an external payment gateway and then issue them a coupon code or a direct link to the course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to buy it in course. So it's a simple way of doing it. So we're going to use the same code. Now you might be saying, well, yeah, but that code could be shared with other people. Well, that's the problem. So you will have to go in and set a code up each time the code is used to monitor it that way. So that's the problem. There's no way of actually selling it as a gift card at this moment, but it's a really good idea. So I can at least show you how it works and then you can get the idea. So you know how to set up a coupon, and you know how to do like maybe a payment button to something like PayPal or Stripe. So if you don't, you need to look, just do payment button PayPal or payment button Stripe, and it'll generate some codes so someone can buy it. Then you can send them the link out if you want to monitor it. I know you want to make it as automated as possible. That's why I'm just going to do a group of coupon codes and rely on the trust of people not giving them out, which I guess is a bad thing, but you know, for the sake of this is what I'm showing, just to, if you wanted to kind of automate it in some way. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into a demo site. I'm just going to set a coupon up. But this coupon is actually going to go to another site. All right. So it can be internally in the site. It's just on this particular course, on this particular site, I haven't got any courses set up. So I'm going to use one of my courses to do it. And then straight after the video, I'm going to delete it, so don't try using it. So let's go into demo now. This is the demo site that I've got set up, and I'm going to come into the admin section. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to site. I'm going to go to courses, sorry, and I'm going to come into here. Actually, I've got one for anxious dogs. I don't think I've set a payment gateway up, but let's see if I have. I'll just change this and add a payment plan to this. I'm going to do a one-off payment, and I'm just going to say it's $100 US for this. Okay, I'll click finish. Alright, so this has now got a payment gateway set up for it, so I can use this site. So to set a coupon up, I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to create a new course. I'm going to call it gift cards, okay, something like that. And this for a special gift. Okay, nothing special. I'm going to click create a coupon. Alright, so I'm going to be avoiding using any of this system because we don't need it. So I'm going to go into the pages, and we have our course sales page. So I'm just going to go in and edit this page. So I'm just going to remove stuff that we don't need and just do it as a kind of gift card in there. So you might want to create a something in Canva to do that. I'm going to create something quickly in Canva just to show you. So I've got all this stuff here. I'm actually going to delete all this out. This is the sales page, and this is the page that I would give out. So I'm actually going to delete all of this stuff out and just start with scratch. Just delete it out. Don't need it. Don't need a course curriculum because we haven't got one. We're just going to put a simple block in here. Again, you can do whatever you like, you know. This is just a sales page that's going to get people in. Now I've got the course pricing there. I'm going to leave that course pricing block in there if I want to. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to remove it. If I have the course pricing, then I can set the course pricing and the price will come up here. But I'm going to manually put everything in. So I'm going to delete that out, and I'm just going to drop an empty block inside here. This is the flexibility of Zenler. You don't have to use any of these dynamic blocks. You can just put it in here. If I wanted to, I could even get rid of the header and the footer. So I'm going to add something nice in here, say gift card or something. I'm going to create something quickly in Canva now. Okay, so I've quickly created something in Canva and I've downloaded that. So I'm going to jump back into our thing now, and I'm going to just go in here and load probably 2 rows here and just drop one of these elements in. I'm going to go to image, and then I'm going to go and upload my image, which is in my download folder. There it is. Let's just upload that without crop. I can use this for the course card as well. And then we can put our text in here. Okay, now you can make that as pretty as you like. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to go too crazy here. Just want to put it into something like that, and you know that's going to do fine. So I want to send them to the checkout page now, so I'm going to just add a button in here, and it's going to go straight to the checkout button, because remember, I'm building this from scratch. Normally the system has all these blocks in for you, but I'm creating this from scratch here. So I'm going to put get the gift. I'm going to choose the link now, so I'm jumping back to here. I want to go to the checkout page. I'm going to grab that link. I'm going to jump back in here. I'm going to go action. I'm going to say go to link, and I'm going to go there, and that's going to be fine. Now you can of course go and make this as beautiful as you like and color it all up, but it's going to do the job at the moment. So that's our sales page set up for when they come into it. So I'm now going to jump to the checkout page. We haven't set the pricing up for this yet. So actually it's an idea to just set the pricing up for this as well. So I'm going to add a pricing plan here. I'm going to do a one-time purchase, and we're going to say how much the course is. So it's going to be $100 US. I think that's what I called the course. I'm going to call this gift card. Okay, and that's all good. I'm going to click finish. Okay, so I've now got a pricing set up for this. I'm going to go back into the pages, back into our course checkout page, and again you're going to style this page however you like. The only thing you need to leave in there is the checkout block, and then you can put whatever you like into the page when it loads. So there it is in there, so you can just take that away if you want to. Don't want these blocks in here. Just going to do it again, make it as pretty as you want. This is not what we're trying to do at the moment, so we're just going to click save to that, and obviously SEO. Then we're going to go into the thank you page. Again, you've got to design that. This just says thank you, and you can put whatever you like in there. And then the most important page, the course access page, where we'll be issuing the coupon to the course. So that's our thank you page. I'm going to leave that as it is, and then the most important page, which is the course access page. So I'm going to go into the course access page now, and just let me save that page off, sales page, and let me save that page off, and finally that page wasn't touched, and into here. This is the course access page. I'm not going to want to put reviews or anything in here. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that original block that we created in this page, and I'm going to put it into the course access page. So I'm going to copy the edit the page. I'm going to go and save that block out. I'm going to add it to the course access page. So the course access page, now I'm just deleting out all of the stuff in here. So all it holds is the coupon. So once that's loaded, I'm going to save this out as a template. Let's call it dog gift. Click save. Okay, so now I can go back into this page, just refresh it. Okay, now that's done. I'm going to go in down the bottom here to custom blocks. I've got my dog gift that I'm going to drag up here. So this is the one that they have. So here we go. I'm going to go redeem your gift card, something like that. And now we're going to link it directly to the course. So now I'm going to go into the site, going to go down to coupons, so courses, want to go to coupons, and I want to create a new coupon. I'm going to say percentage off, in this case 100%, and we're going to choose this. I'm going to go gift card 100. Let me just do this. Let's put GF 100D dog. Okay, like so. Not all products, we're just going to use a specific product. I'm going to select the anxious dog and select the pricing plan that that dog comes into, so it's 100% coupon off, and I'm going to apply that every billing. You can set this however you like, and you can also put a redemption limit on this, so you could put a redemption limit on 1 and keep updating it whenever someone buys it. Well, I'm going to leave it open so it's unlimited. Okay, so that's the caveat there. So now I've got this gift code. This is the gift code that I can use. So redeem your gift code. Code is, and then something like that. And I can also do the link to that as well. So I've got a link. You can see that's the course, the anxious dog. So I'm going to copy that link, go into here, go into the edit, go down to where the link is, and put that in there, click save, and that is done. So I'm just going to enroll myself in this as if I bought it. If I go to the site now, you can see you've got this gift card. I'm just going to put the gift card in here just to make it look pretty. Okay. Oh, let's change that. Do that and update. Publishing this. Let's go to the demo site, and there it is. So you got your gift card there, so buy a special gift. You click into this, get the gift, then you go through the checkout process, so you pay £100. So I'm going to go into the course access page. So once you bought it, you'll go into the course access page, and now what will happen is you'll get this code which will take you into the course, or you can click here and it's a direct link to the course. So if I click in here now, that coupon has been applied in there, as you can see. So if I go enroll in course, it's going to be £100 off because I've set up that coupon. So it isn't an automatic way. You need to set this up. So if you're only giving one out, especially if it's a high price course, you might want to set one coupon redemption limit and keep updating that every time someone buys it. That's the only way of doing it in there, unless you're going to just have a PayPal button on there or something, and then you email those people. If you can get them to come into your site, communicate with them, you could get them to buy that and send out. I mean, of course, in the course access page, you could also put the coupon will be emailed to you, and then you could email it to them. So that's what they would get when they come into it. So you could set that up so that it emailed to them. So then you could do it one at a time, but unfortunately that's the only way of doing it, rather than people automatically being able to come into it. So hopefully this is going to help you. There's of course lots and lots of different ways of doing this, but this is the way that I think will work for you, hopefully.